your piano breeze, maximum of one piece in the cabin. Note that if you under the zipper, one little fit in the overhead bed. If you are interested in any approaches and Pacific ground staff, your team wants to make a meeting you for your cooperation. Sa lahat ng masaya ng Pacific Pagkakutuan, sa ibagyay bilang sa Pagkakutuan sa Pagkakutuan. Ang inyong flight ay kasalukuyang tumo at sa iyo tayong kita ng espasyo sa loob ng plano para sa inyong mga dietary bags. Upang matiyang maayos at hindi maantala ang inyong working, magyari po kayo sa paglumayo, isanin ang inyong mga dietary bags. Isang paalala lamang na ang bawat pasahero ay maaari lamang magdala ng isang dietary bag sa loob ng aeroplano. Ngunit maaari lamang magdala ng isang dietary bag sa loob ng aeroplano. Isa na siya sa ilalim ng inyong upuan.
About for Butuan attention to all our announcements. Do not hesitate to call the attention of the cabin crew should you need any assistance. If you have any questions, clarification on any of our safety procedures. Once again, we wish everybody safe and pleasant journey. We thank you again for flying with us. Welcome aboard. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Depart for Butuan. In command of the aircraft is Captain Everdome, ably assisted by First Officer Antonio. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Everdome sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Antonio. Kayo po ay lilipad ng mahigit kumulang 1 oras at 20 minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello guys, good morning. Nasa loob na po kami ng aeroplano, ready to flight guys, papuntang Manila. Ayan po, makulimlim po, nasa Butuan Airport po kami. Ayan guys, travel naman po tayo pag may time. Ay bibisitahin lang po sa Manila. Sabayan nyo ako guys sa aking paglipad. Sana guys ay huwag kayong magsawang manood sa aking video, sa aking YouTube channel. Almatings guys, thank you very much sa mga followers, silent viewers, silent followers. Ayan. May taos pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa wala kang sawan yung pag-antabay sa aking mga video guys, kahit sandali lang or minsan-minsan lang ako mag-post ng video guys. Alam nyo naman, maraming kabisihan ang inyong lingkod. So, almating guys sa inyong lingkod. Salamat ng marami. Hello guys, ayan, nakalipad na rin yung aming aeroplano guys sa Himpapawid. At makikita nyo yung view na sa baba guys ay parang Agusan River. So, ayan, at parang nakakatakot, di ba? Pag naglipad ng aeroplano, hindi natin alam kung ano yung sasakupan natin na ano sa taas. So, tayo natin dalangin kayo na sana step pag natin sa airport ng Manila. So guys, at tabayanan nyo ako lagi sa aking mga videos. Akin nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Almatins guys, at sa inyong lingkod. Salamat po ng marami. God bless us all.
and the other sections.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Bantahi Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew Captain Emer Dome and First Officer Antonio, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. For guests needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the forwarder for proper ground endorsement. Para po sa mga panauhin na nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong katulad ng wheelchair, kayo po ang huling bababa gamit ang unahang pilotuan lamang. Maraming salamat po. Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Passengers, please remain seated.